This is Bluebook 4, Reading and Writing, Module 1, Question 10. Which quotation from the Souls of Black Folk most effectively illustrates the claim? As we read, we want to be trying to figure out what the claim is. So, The Souls of Black Folk is a 1903 book by W.E.B. Du Bois. In the book, Du Bois suggests that upon hearing Black folk songs, he felt an intuitive and sometimes unexpected sense of cultural recognition. This is the claim. Du Bois suggests that upon hearing Black folk songs, he felt an intuitive and sometimes unexpected sense of cultural recognition. So, hearing Black folk songs equals unexpected cultural recognition. Cool. So in our answer options, we want to look for something that exemplifies this. A. Black folk music still remains as the singular spiritual heritage of the nation and the greatest gift of the Negro people. We don't see the word I here, so we know this isn't Du Bois talking about himself. And we're looking for something that proves Du Bois experienced cultural recognition upon hearing these songs, so this cannot be correct. B. Ever since I was a child, these songs have stirred me strangely. They came out of the South unknown to me, one by one, and yet at once I knew them as of me and of mine. He says the songs stirred him strangely, and that he knew the songs as of me and of mine. This is basically saying he associated them with his community even though they were from a region he was unfamiliar with. Therefore, this goes what we're looking for, so this is most probably correct. Just to be sure though, we're going to check C and D. C. Caricature has sought again to spoil the quaint beauty of the music, and has filled the air with many debased melodies which vulgar ears scarce know from the real. But the true Negro folk song still lives in the hearts of those who have heard them truly sung and in the hearts of the Negro people. This is wrong because this quote is about Black folk songs surviving despite attempts to caricature them or parody them. This isn't about Du Bois' sense of cultural recognition at all. D. The songs are indeed the siftings of centuries. The music is far more ancient than the words, and in it we can trace here and there signs of development. This quote is about how the songs are old, not about how Du Bois felt when he heard them. So this is wrong as well. Therefore, B is the correct answer.